If your espresso tastes bitter or harsh, this is exactly why. So that extraction was running way too slow, and that gives you those bitter, harsh flavours. So I'm going to do a quick taste test. Oh, yeah, so the bitterness really bites in. So basically, there's too much flavour being pulled out of the coffee into your espresso, and that makes it bitter and harsh. Really simple fix. We're going to speed it up. So in order to speed it up, what we're going to do is we're going to grind coarser. We're not going to make massive jumps, but we're going to make a change. We're going to change from grind size 3, and we're going to take it to a 5. So I'm not changing the grind time yet, only the grind size. Don't overcomplicate it. Just make one change, and then you can tell how that change is affecting your flavour of your espresso. Change the grind size. I'm going to give it a quick taste test to see if we're on the right track. But what I think we need to do is change the grind time. Let that water flow a little bit quicker through the espresso puck. That's looking incredibly better. See, the crema is really sticking round. Looks great. So before we jump straight into the taste test, I just wanted to say, if you're enjoying these videos and you feel like you're getting something from them, then please like and subscribe to my channel. I put a lot of effort into these videos and your support would be amazing. Diving in for the taste test. Oh, that's so much better. The 2 small changes and we absolutely smashed it. To fix this espresso, I've used a really simple system, tried and tested system. It's the 1:2 ratio. So we've got 18 grams in, we've got 36 grams out. If you want to weigh your coffee grind, then get yourself some small scales, weigh it first, make sure you're hitting 18 grams, and then we're measuring out 36 grams as it comes out straight into the espresso cup. Good espresso isn't all about perfection. It's all about finding balance, and it's all about taste and personal preference. So I just wanted to take a moment to introduce you to my everyday espresso. These are a Brazilian Santos, they're a medium roast, and they are so forgiving in the grinder. They produce an amazing espresso. I use them in majority of my videos. If you want to try them, hop onto my website. I've included a discount code in the description. Back to the video. So in the next video, we're going to be talking about dialing in your coffee to your personal preference and your personal taste, how to find that absolute sweet spot. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it, and I will see you next time, guys.